Hello my dear students, welcome to CMI's online classes. In today's class, we will discuss the questions of chapter 2, The Hero of Tiger Hill, and try to solve these questions with appropriate answers. So this is exercise A from our chapter 2, The Hero of Tiger Hill, and it is written in exercise A. Answer the following with reference to the context. With reference to the context means some part of the story has been taken here and we have to answer the questions based on that context or the part of the story. So like in question number 1, we have inside me lives their memories and it will continue to be. So this is an excerpt, a part of a story, a sentence from the story, from the chapter, and we have to answer the questions that are based on this line. Okay, so question number A from number 1, who said these words and to whom? So ये जो ऊपर दिए गए वर्ड है, वर्ड्स जो है, सेंटेंस जो है, वो किसने और किसको कहा है? So we already know that these chapter 2, The Hero of Tiger Hill, is written in the form of an interview, okay, taken to the Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav by a French journalist, Claude RP. So here the correct answer is these words were said by Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav in his interview with a French journalist, Claude RP. Okay, so ये जो वर्ड्स है, ये वर्ड्स ग्रेनेडियर योगेंद्र सिंह यादव ने कहा है और किसको? एक फ्रेंच जर्नलिस्ट क्लॉड आरपी, जिसने योगेंद्र सिंह यादव का इंटरव्यू लिया है, और उसी इंटरव्यू के दौरान दीज वर्ड्स वर सेड बाय योगेंद्र सिंह यादव टू क्लॉड आरपी. ओके, whose memories live in him forever. So Yogendra Singh has said about the memories that their memories. So he has said their memories. Okay. So it is asked whose memories. So whose is their memories here? Okay. So here the memories of his fellow commandos. So Yogendra Singh Yadav was also a commando himself. Okay, so in his memories he is memorizing his fellow commandos, उसके दोस्त commandos जो थे उसके, his comrades, जो उसके दोस्त commandos थे, उसके memories के बारे में बता रहे हैं. Who fought the Kargil war with him against the Pakistani armies live in him forever. Okay, so ये जो memories है, this is the memories of his fellow commandos. Okay, so those memories, the memories of his fellow commandos, those commandos who fought with him against the Pakistani armies in the Kargil war, their memories will live in him forever. उसके यादें योगेंद्र सिंह यादव के अंदर हमेशा रहेंगे. So what had happened to those people whom he remembers? So those people who are remembering, who are being remembered by Yogendra Singh Yadav in this chapter, what had happened to those people? तो वो सारे लोगों को क्या हुआ था? So the answer of this question is many of them had lost their lives and many were injured in the Kargil war. So उन लोगों में से बहुत लोग मरे थे और बहुत लोग इंजर्ड हो गए थे, घायल हो गए थे. क्या चीज़ में? इन द कारगिल वॉर में. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Tiger Hill was the highest peak in the Dras sector. To take control of it was very difficult. This is the context taken from the chapter. So the first answer is question number A. This is question number A. Where was Tiger Hill? Tiger Hill कहाँ था? So Tiger Hill was traditionally known as गंजला. So Tiger Hill जिसे traditionally गंजला के नाम से भी जाना जाते हैं. There is no need to write was here. Tiger Hill, traditionally known as गंजला, was in the Dras Kargil area of Ladakh. जो लद्दाख के ड्रास सेक्टर में मौजूद था. ओके, ड्रास एक छोटा सा जगह का नाम है कारगिल एरिया में. सो टाइगर हिल वहीं पर था. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर बी फ्रॉम नंबर 1. व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग? क्वेश्चन नंबर बी फ्रॉम नंबर 2. व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग एट टाइगर हिल? तो उस समय टाइगर हिल में क्या हो रहा था? द वॉर known as Kargil War between the Indian and Pakistani armies was going on at Tiger Hill. So Tiger Hill में उस समय क्या हो रहा था? इंडियन और पाकिस्तानी आर्मीज के बीच में लड़ाई हो रहा था, जिस लड़ाई को हम क्या कहते हैं? कारगिल वॉर कहते हैं. अंडरस्टूड. एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सी फ्रॉम नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. वाई वॉज टेकिंग कंट्रोल ऑफ टाइगर हिल डिफिकल्ट? तो उस समय टाइगर हिल को कंट्रोल करना क्यों डिफिकल्ट था? आंसर इज टेकिंग कंट्रोल ऑफ टाइगर हिल वॉज डिफिकल्ट एज इट वॉज द हाइस्ट पिक इन द ड्रास कारगिल एरिया. क्योंकि उस समय ड्रास कारगिल एरिया का सबसे हाईएस्ट, सबसे ऊंचा पिक टाइगर हिल था. एंड इट वॉज ऑलरेडी ऑक्युपाइड बाय द पाकिस्तानी आर्मीज और कैप्चर्ड बाय द पाकिस्तानी आर्मी. और उस समय उस टाइगर हिल को ऑलरेडी पाकिस्तानी आर्मीज के द्वारा कैप्चर किया गया हुआ था और दे वर अटैकिंग इंडियन आर्मीज फ्रॉम द पीक ऑफ द टाइगर हिल. अंडरस्टूड. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इट वॉज ड्यू टू दैट रिजल्व एंड विल that I am alive today. This is the context taken from the chapter. It is due to that resolve. ये actually what does this line says? What does this line say? It is due to that resolve. ये उस कसम के कारण से है और वो इच्छा के कारण से है जिसके कारण मैं अभी भी जिंदा हूँ. ओके. योगेंद्र सिंह यादव was saved in that Kargil war. Okay, but how he was saved? It is a very deep story. Understood. Now exercise question A from number 3. What resolve did the soldier have? So here the soldier refers to Yogendra Singh Yadav. Okay, the soldier had resolved that unless he got a bullet in his heart or head, he would remain alive, even if the enemies cut off his arms and legs. So योगेंद्र सिंह यादव जो थे उसने ये कसम खाया था कि जब तक उसे बुलेट अब उसके सर और दिल पे नहीं लगता है तब तक वो जिंदा रहेगा, भले ही उसका जो दुश्मन है उसका हाथ या पैर काट दे. he would remain alive. Understood. So that was the resolve he had. That was the promise he had done to himself, that he would remain alive until he would get bullet into his heart and head. Okay, he would remain alive. Understood. Now question number B from number 3. So here the question is what had happened to the soldier? तो soldier को क्या हुआ था? What had happened to the soldier means what had happened to Yogendra Singh Yadav? So he was severely injured. He was severely wounded in the war. Okay, उसे वो बहुत बुरी तरीके से घायल हुआ था लड़ाई में. He was shot bullets into his body, in his arm and legs. उसे बुलेट लगा हुआ था, दुश्मनों ने उस पर गोली चलाई हुई थी उसके बॉडी में, उसके शरीर में, उसके आर्म, उसके कंधे में और उसके लेग्स में, पैरों में भी उसका बुलेट्स लगा हुआ था. He was fired by the enemies. Now question number C from number 3. Why did he need a firm resolve at that time? उस समय उसे ये दृढ़ संकल्प लेने की ज़रूरत क्यों थी? बिकॉज ही वॉज अबाउट टू डाई, बिकॉज ही वॉज सिवियरली वाउंडेड, वी नो दैट। ओके, उस समय वो एकदम बुरी तरीके से घायल हुआ था। ओके, बट he knew that he had to stay alive. If he had to save his fellow commandos, if he had to save his nation, he had to stay alive, because he had to take the information that he had got from the Pakistani armies about their plans, what they were going to do ahead. So that information he had to take, and he had to reach to his fellow commandos. Okay, so the answer is he needed a firm resolve at that time to stay alive, and to inform his companions companions about the plans the Pakistani armies had. Okay, because he had come to know what plans the Pakistani armies had at that time, what they were going to do with the Indian armies. He had already informed about it, so he wanted to save his fellow commandos and his captains. Okay, now the last question number 4 of exercise A. You had the certitude that you would not die. Tell us more about this vision of Devi Ma, who showed you the way down to the MMG post. MMG post where his captains and his fellow commandos were already there, and he and his group had just attacked the Tiger Hill, okay, to recapture it. Understood? Now see here, who said these words and to whom? So again these words are said by Yogendra Singh Yadav to a French journalist who has taken his interview, and in this chapter, the chapter is in the form of the interview. Okay, so who said these words and to whom? These words were said by Grenadier Yogendra Singh Yadav in his interview with a French journalist Claude RP. So ये बात योगेंद्र सिंह यादव ने क्लॉड आरपी को बताया है. Understood? Now question number B from number 4. Why did the person being spoken to have the belief that he would not die? So the person being spoken to here, the person being spoken to refers to योगेंद्र सिंह यादव, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. उसको ये विश्वास क्यों था कि वो नहीं मरेंगे? ओके, what was the reason? The person being spoken had the belief that he would not die, as he had a firm resolve to reach his comrades, to save their lives, to save the nation. So उस समय when he was severely wounded, then also he did not die, because he had a resolve. Okay, he had promised himself that he would not die, because he was known that he would not die until he would get bullets into his heart and brain, in head. Okay, and the another thing why he had a firm resolve was to reach his comrades. जैसे भी हो उसे अपने comrades के पास MMG पोस्ट तक पहुंचना था, ताकि वो अपने दोस्तों को बचा सके वहाँ पर और अपने देश को बचा सके. Okay, so the right answer is the person being spoken to, not to spoken, being spoken to, had the belief that he would not die, as he had a firm resolve to reach his comrades, to save their lives, to save the nation. Okay, ताकि वो अपने दोस्तों को बचा सके और अपने देश को बचा सके, इसलिए उस समय उसे एक दृढ़ संकल्प की ज़रूरत थी. Now Question number C from number 4. Elaborate on the vision that the soldier saw. The soldier here refers to योगेंद्र सिंह यादव. तो उस समय, at the time when he was about to die, when Yogendra Singh Yadav was about to die, he had a vision. He was about to die, and he had a firm resolve that he should not die. उसे नहीं मरना चाहिए. Okay. Anyhow, he had to reach to his comrades, his fellow commandos at MMG post. Okay. So उस समय what did he saw? उस समय उसने क्या देखा? Okay. उसके बारे में हमें यहाँ विस्तार से जानकारी देना है in this answer. The soldier was severely wounded as he was shot bullets into his body, arm and leg. So the soldier Yogendra Singh Yadav was severely wounded as he was shot bullets into his body, arm and leg. योगेंद्र सिंह यादव बहुत बुरी तरीके से घायल हुआ था क्योंकि उसे बुलेट्स लगा हुआ था उसके बॉडी में, उसके कंधे में और उसके पैर में. इन दैट क्रिटिकल कंडीशन, उस बुरी अवस्था में, ही सॉ अ बीइंग. बीइंग मीन्स अ ह्यूमन फिगर. ही सॉ अ ह्यूमन फिगर. ओके. ही डिड नॉट सी अ क्लियर विजन बट ही सॉ अ बीइंग इन वाइट. एक सफ़ेद कपड़े में लपेटे हुए एक कुछ आत्मा की तरह उसे दिखाई दिया. ओके. सो लेटर ही कॉल्ड दैट बीइंग एज देवी माँ, जिसे उसने बाद में रियलाइज़ किया कि वो ज़रूर उसे उस समय वहाँ पर भगवान बचाने आए होंगे. हु गेव हिम स्ट्रेंथ, जिसने उसे साहस दिया. एंड शोड हिम द वे डाउन हिज फेलो कमांडर्स. डाउन टू हिज फेलो कमांडर्स. ओके. जिसने उसे साहस दिया जिंदा रहने का और जिसने उसे रास्ता दिखाया अपने दोस्त, अपने फेलो कमांडोज और अपने कमरेड्स तक पहुंचने का रास्ता दिखाया और उसे गाइड किया. अंडरस्टूड. So the correct answer is the soldier was severely wounded as he was shot bullets into his body, arm and leg. In that critical condition, he saw a being, he saw a vision of being in white. एक सफ़ेद कपड़े में उसे कुछ दिखाई दिया. Who gave him strength, जिसने उसे साहस दिया. And showed him the way down to his fellow commando, जिसने उसे रास्ता दिखाया नीचे अपने दोस्त फेलो कमांडोज तक पहुंचने का. अंडरस्टूड. सो आई होप दिस explanation about the appropriate answers have made you understand the meaning of the question as well as the answers I have written here. If still you face any problem, if you have any confusion regarding the meaning of the question as well as the answers written here, without any hesitation you may ask me to clear all your doubts. So this much for today's class. Thank you so much students. Bye bye.